we'll guide you through how to use vector layers in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and create a new document by clicking on File and selecting New. Once your canvas is ready, go to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the new icon at the bottom and choose Add Vector Layer. This action will create a new vector layer above your current layer. Now, select the Bezier Curve tool from the toolbar on the left. This tool is essential for drawing vector shapes. Click on your canvas to create points and adjust the curves by dragging the handles that appear. You can close the shape by connecting the last point back to the first. If you need to adjust your shapes further, go to the Tool Options docker at the bottom and tweak the settings to modify the curves as needed. To add color, switch to the Fill tool. Select your desired color from the color wheel and click inside your vector shape. If you want to add more vector elements, repeat the process by using the Bezier Curve tool or any other vector tools like the Line tool or Ellipse tool from the same toolbar. Remember, vector layers are perfect for creating scalable graphics without losing quality, so take advantage of these features for logos, illustrations, and more. When you're satisfied with your work, you can export it by clicking on File and Export. Make sure to choose a vector-friendly format like SVG if you plan on editing it further in other vector-based software. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.